Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Jyoti with
Shruti, what's up, Joe?
what's up?
What's up?
Anup Jain
Yes,
is back in the news. He's back in the news.
he's been in the
Did
news for
you?
all the wrong reasons for a while now, I would say. I'm assuming that you have also covered
Yes,
it in detail. But ये गाना
I
3 दिन पहले आया
have.
है. Let's hope
Yeah,
he's
ये गाना 3 दिन पहले आया
हाँ.
है.
Let's hope he's coming back and doing things what he's very
We
good at.
can.
No, because I
Yeah.
mean, let's face it, okay? He's good at producing his whole thing and वो बना के जो भी गाना डालता है कुछ vibe होती है उस गाने में, okay? And then you enjoy it. So maybe live shows से दूर रहे, यहाँ पे अलग-अलग गाने बनाता रहे which have a vibe, which have a feel, and then we'll keep watching and listening. और क्या?
Yeah, I feel like he's also, like he's reached a certain place in life, but it just I didn't know what had happened. Okay, we'll talk about that after this song.
हाँ, okay.
But 15th studio recorded single,
Hmm.
Inam, written, sung, and composed by Anuj Jain is here.
No, actually, maybe we should
Written,
talk about it
composed
before, so that we clear the
before.
air, so
Okay.
that we can actually talk about it and then get into the song. You know what I mean?
Okay. Yeah.
Huh.
Fine. So I didn't know that he was performing with Jacob Collier, and my friend who was at the event sent me the first clip that when people started
Played.
posting clips of like calling
Right.
him out,
Right.
sent it to me and said and sent it and said rage bait, and I was like, and then I heard it and I was like, why are we doing this again? As if the Jasleen fiasco was not enough. Why are we doing this again? And I don't know. There's multiple levels in the chain. There is things that
To
can
me, I
be.
don't think there are multiple levels. एक singular बात है जो चल रही है आजकल सब जगह, and that's the reason I feel this is happening. That people are being shortlisted
What
because
is that?
of social media numbers and not because of
Yeah.
the talent and the prowess of what they showcase. And as musicians, he's good at what he does. He gets his numbers because of what the thought, the idea, that song. I till date is that. What is the song which is super 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 famous? I mean, most of his songs were, but the one in which the main dancing couple is like dancing and the girl is like fully in love and the guy like never notices her, and then in the end,
Yeah.
I
Husn.
I till date listen to that song and I love it. I genuinely
I don't like that song at
I
all.
love it. Like the vibe with it, the
I
feel with
just
it. I genuinely am fond of it. Okay. So I get it that I enjoy his music. It's produced. There's a lot of effort, work, multiple takes, and then the best is chosen probably and then put into it. So there's a lot of back end production that has gone before creating and putting a song out there as the final product. But when you're performing live, it's a totally different ballgame altogether. So while he might be really good at what he does, the Husn type of songs and all of it, but that doesn't necessarily mean that just because he's got the numbers because of it, he's the right person to be on a stage live, that too performing with somebody who's like, multiple Oscar winner, a Grammy winner, and like just being like a talent powerhouse, the kind of man that he is. So I feel like that's the only थिंग. अब उसमें किसी को कोई ब्लेम नहीं है, किसी को कुछ नहीं है. अब कोई बोले आपने एज अ ऑडियंस उसको चढ़ा के रखा है तो नाउ व्हाई आर यू कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट इट, और इफ समबडी सेज के अरे क्यों उसको चुना, 1000 issues can be easily brought up and I think each one would be correct. Okay, why what happened and why was it allowed to happen, and I think it could have been stopped at many
That's what I'm saying.
angles.
So it's a multiple level ka failure, and I think
Yeah.
the most important point in this entire fiasco and situation is it has to come back to an artist being self-aware of their capabilities. I'm sorry, I'm going to put it
100%.
down because at the end of the day,
100%.
whether your manager comes to you or your label comes to you or people come to you from the performing artist team and say ki, oh, you've got the
Correct.
numbers in India, we want you on stage, you have to self-reflect and say, you know what, this is a huge opportunity for me, yes, but do I deserve to be on stage singing?
Deserving chodo, can I deliver? Will I be able to deliver?
Is my capability that, or
Yeah.
are we that unaware of our, and my thing is, like you mentioned Husn, and I've covered that. I've covered a lot of other songs of his. I'm very happy for him as far as
Correct. Yeah.
the things that he's achieved and the kind of following he's earned and all of that. His
Yeah.
songs do connect with people. They don't necessarily connect with me, but even when I have been reviewing his songs, I have seen him go beyond his range,
Yeah.
and it's not pleasant on my ears, and I have said as much. So
Hmm.
I feel like, is it a lack of self-awareness at the end of
Hmm.
the day? Because you can, like you said, the whole Justine fiasco is also on similar
Yeah.
lines. Is
Yeah.
it just a lack of self-awareness, or is it just extra enthusiasm and excitement ki I want to be on stage with
Or
this
it's being
massive
misguided,
international act?
or it's misguidance. Because I feel
I
like
don't know what it is, but if you're
artists,
misguided, then you're that gullible and you're that
but
swayed by
all artists are till they become super, super, super legend material, or they are so tough that they don't even get those initial breaks. So I feel
I
most
don't
artists,
know.
if they're surrounded with the wrong bunch of people, that's when these kind of issues happen. And your self-awareness also comes from the people you surround yourself with. While you
It's not
can.
just that. There's a lot of
No, I'm
ego
saying there's
also,
so
I feel.
many. There's so many aspects to
Hmm.
it. So to put only one or two or three things in the mix and say is karan hua hoga. I'm saying us karan se to hua hi hoga, but there'll be
Mhm.
plenty more reasons why this must have happened. So I'm saying
Yeah, so
overall,
I'll
it is unfortunate.
so from what
That's what.
I know, yeah, from what I know of the industry is whoever is performing,
Yeah.
usually from that international act, their team a request comes that send us options of local artists
Hmm.
who can feature in different cities. The one in Delhi with Jacob on stage
She
was
was so
beautiful.
good.
Like,
Oh,
my
even
God,
Bangalore.
that
Oh, wow.
yeah. So
Wow
it's
is the
not
word.
like हमारे पास कमी है. अब जो लोग
Correct.
नाम भेज रहे हैं उनकी
Hmm.
भी गलती है, because
बिल्कुल,
आप क्यों नहीं
बिल्कुल.
देखते कि beyond the numbers,
Yeah.
is this someone who can, like, I'm sorry, but okay, so maybe you have just done your job and picked the options as per the numbers
Or
and
maybe
sent
you
it
yourself are
across.
sitting at
I'm
a
saying,
place where you are not qualified to be in the job that you are. And I'm being very harsh
I
over
don't
here.
know.
That maybe the people who
Oh
are
my God.
choosing themselves don't have a music background or, they understand the music business, but they don't understand the musicality and what is required for an artist to be on stage. But I'm sorry, that's your job. You should be aware of that. Right?
Yeah,
So, yeah.
I feel like that criteria doesn't come in only. That criteria doesn't come in when you're putting your list together of possible name options. And a lot of it is to do with industry relationships, and all of that
So
also
sad.
comes into
So
play.
sad.
And
Yeah.
I'm just being very real and honest about it, because I think we need to talk about this openly. It can't just all
Yeah,
be
but
like hidden
everybody's talking about
and
it. So
thoda,
this is no secret
yeah.
anyway.
So
And if
so
anybody who's hiding under
so
some rock and saying ke nahi ye acha tha, come on guys. Like.
No, so this is what in Justini's case, if the
Hmm.
names were also sent and the artist picked this
Huh.
artist,
Huh.
saying, okay, she sounds good, we like her voice and she's got the numbers, let's go with her.
Hmm.
Even then, like, it all comes down to the artist and their self-awareness. Justine ka case mein ek city ke baad she started getting so much this thing, and it continued through the tour in other cities as well. Except, can we just pause and reflect on what we are taking to that stage as an artist?
So what were they
If I
expecting?
don't,
Different results in second time when you already know.
yeah.
Like how much leeway are
So,
we willing to give?
but there's no backtracking. There's no
Yeah.
backtracking.
Yeah.
In fact, people were doubling down on the decision to put her on stage,
That's that
and
that that's just silly. Ab that to samajh nahi aata
and
ki
then she
okay.
released a song talking about my journey has been like this, and I never thought I would reach this place. That whole, garnering the sympathy situation that happens. So anyway, this happened, and it was,
Hmm.
all of us music fans in India get very irritated by
Yeah.
this, and
Yeah.
with good reason.
Yeah.
Because come on, someone like a Jacob
Because
Collier
talent
is
की
on
कमी नहीं है
stage.
यार. There are enough talented
Thank you.
artists. बहुत
It's
सारे
such a
हैं.
disservice to people who have worked for decades on their craft and can hold their own with a Jacob Collier on stage. And we've seen examples of that in the other
In the
cities.
other cities,
So
correct.
let's all just be very, like, in service of the art instead of in service of our artist.
I don't
Anyway,
know. I somewhere
or in
also
self
feel like really
service.
sad for Anuv also. Because I'm pretty sure it must have been a huge opportunity for him and for him in his mind to think, okay, I'm going to crack this and this in this way. Whichever way, whatever way things panned out, it didn't happen, right? So I don't know. Maybe there's a wake up call, a very good wake up call in all spheres for a person to just self reflect, to figure out what is working for them and what isn't and how to go about it.
I don't have sympathy or anything. I just feel like there needs to be more self awareness
Why?
in
So
everyone involved in the equation,
yeah,
including the artist.
exactly. So only when a big fiasco like this happens do you pause and you are forced to self-reflect, na? कि उससे पहले अगर naturally नहीं हुआ, तो maybe now it will, but now it's that point that it better. It's that situation.
Hmm.
But having
I
said
don't know.
that, we will listen to this song and figure out if it has happened or not.
Yeah, let's do it. It's called
Yeah.
Inam, and producer Lost Stories on this one. They also produced the track of his on Coke Studio Bharat, which also got a lot of flack.
Right.
The Aise Kaise Aise Waise meme, have you seen? That
Yes.
was so good.
Yes. चलो और कुछ नहीं तो 25,000 मीम्स तो मिल ही जाएंगे हमें.
है ना?
हाँ.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's
It's
go.
called Inam. Okay, 1, 2, 3, play.
I love you guys as well. Please. You guys are coming to the show? I hope that you guys enjoy. I'll see you there.
मालूम है ना हम जाने तुमको तुमसे ज्यादा, तुमको मिला है वो सालों से जो भी है मांगा. कैसे खिलौनों की रो रो के करते थे मांगे, एक बार मिल जाए 2 दिन में ही भूल जाते. लेकिन खिलौनों के दिल तो होते ही नहीं थे, दिल तो हमारा है. जाने गलत क्या सही है, कितना थे चाहते पर अब तुमको याद ना आते हम. क्या याद तुमको, तुम हमको इनाम थे कहते, करते थे कितना कुछ पाने की चाह में पहले. अब ये नाम का तुम पे इल्जाम है जाना, दिल है गवाह जीते जब से हो तुमको है हारा. चीजें बदलती हैं इतना तो हमने भी माना, इतना बदल जाओगे जाना किसने था जाना. जो था परवाना अब उसको हमारी परवाना क्यों. दिल में बात क्या है, हाँ बोलो हमसे चाहता और क्या है, हाँ बोलो हमसे क्या कमी यहाँ है, हाँ बोलो हमसे ना. जो कहा मिला है, हाँ बोलो हमसे बदले में भला है, हाँ बोलो हमसे मांगा तुमसे क्या है मांगा जरा सही क्या ही क्या है. बस जो खत लिखे थे तुमने उन्हें पढ़ भी लो जरा, वादे किए थे जो भी निभाना ऐसे कभी. इन वादों की स्याही अभी सूखी कहाँ है तुम्हारी लिखाई, या भूले हो ये भी. वावा तुम फिर से नाम हो जीते, चेहरे पर मुस्कान पर आंखें हैं खुश ना कहीं से. हमने कहा था हम जाने तुमको तुमसे ज्यादा, शायद गलत थे पर इतना तो हमने है जाना. हर वो इनाम कदर के बिना ही है वैसे, घर में बड़ी धूल खाते खिलौनों के जैसे. फिर भर बहलाए पर दिल को ये कुछ ना कर पाए. घर बैठे लिखता था दिल की कहानी मेरी, चारों तरफ थी दीवारें, दीवारों से ही कहता था एक दिन जहाँ होगा हाथों में ही आ. जो था गुमनामों में वो इनामों पे भी कह दी है फिर भी
Okay.
Okay,
Huh. So
this is damage control.
this is damage control.
I'm just gonna
What do
say
you
it.
mean? Like how?
Yeah,
Meaning?
this is damage control. This is exactly what Jasleen did after her debacle.
So you're saying that they are putting no, but damage control in what way? Like they're putting out a song,
They're putting out a song which has
like
the
people and
theme of
audience and like
where I was and what I used to do and where I've
and
come,
where
and
I've
footage
come.
from my phone
Huh.
videos, and yeah, my whole like life in a vlog format video.
Right.
Um, and
And the whole
it's
emotional
a,
quotient
I mean,
to garner like sympathy votes. वैसे.
yeah,
Ah, okay.
yeah. This is very damage control PR driven kind of song release, and I could just feel that I couldn't.
Relate to it, like that. Really relate to the emotion of it. I think यही है ना
At
जिसका
all.
एक रील भी मैंने ऑनलाइन देखी थी, and I think I'd forwarded it to you as well, where the person was basically decoding that the song pattern, the way
Yeah, I
in
saw that.
in particular song, that's very interesting because they've literally gone in
Yeah.
1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and then they've switched it up every time he's singing, but every time there is just music
Yeah.
playing, like the pattern changes. So I think that was like
It's a
the
3
person was
3
saying it
3
was very
3
cool.
4, and
That it was a very
yeah.
cool, But I did feel that because of that pattern changing, the song almost sounded rushed during when the lyrics are going on. Like it's like almost like there's something promising in it, but like every time the lyrics are going on, like if I just for 1 second forget about this whole, performance fiasco, and if I forget about all the other biases that surround it and listen to it just for what, if fresh we were listening to a song right now. So I feel like
Yeah.
when he's singing it, it is sounding a little rushed. Maybe to fit into that
Yeah.
meter which is there. Initially, though, I was kind of liking it. Like I was like, it was. I felt like in the second half it
It
got
was
even
easy to
faster.
flow with.
Huh.
Yeah,
And then second
it
half
did.
got even faster, which kind of started feeling very rushed. Then it was almost like फिर आप उसके अंदर से बट जो पैटर्न बेसिकली अनुज जैन के सॉन्ग्स का होता है वो वही था कि there is a certain initial rhythm to it, then it goes into this one high little thing, then it comes down, then it goes into, so that pattern was maintained. Like if you pick any of his other songs, all of them follow the same thing. उसमें थोड़ी थोड़ी ऊपर नीचे थोड़ा सा फर्क हो जाता है, but that's marginal. Baki, to listen to the song without the visual, because I feel the song the way it was and the visual were not matching it. Because beach mein,
Yes, I feel like this is a song. Yeah, go on.
yeah, वही कि beach में like his whole his shadi, and before that, with his now wife, like the whole thing, putting in all those videos and stuff like that. या तो उसी पे रहते, फिर बीच में to put the journey of, or they were just showing his life that while he's struggling as a musician, coming up, doing different shows, and same time getting married and blah blah blah. But I feel like गाने में तो एक सवाल था ना कि like I almost felt like the song is going towards कि कुछ हो गया है क्या, relationship कहीं खराब हो गई है क्या, कि is that the question in the song? तो I couldn't, you know what I mean, like then I was like, no, but if reality है तो फिर वैसा नहीं sound कर रहा है. So there were few things which kind of didn't match. So I think I'll have to listen to the song without the video for sure to also kind of grasp as to गाना itself किस बारे में है, without the video.
That's so. If on the first listen we are unable to grasp that only, then there is something that's missing. Because even for
Yeah.
me, I felt like a proper mismatch with the visuals and the song, and the visuals specifically were putting me off, because I was like, this is Damage Control Part 2. Jasleen was Part 1. This is textbook playbook. This is the playbook that is always adopted कि fans को और सबको remind करो कि हम कहाँ से आए हैं और हम कितना struggle करके यहाँ तक पहुंचे हैं, ये वो
Right.
to cover up the little mess that we just made on stage.
Yeah.
It just completely felt like that. And then if you had released this song if you had released the song later down the line with these visuals, then it would have had that very warmth inducing thing. But right now it just feels too manufactured. So I'm gonna call it out, and I'm gonna say it as I'm finding it. Even the whole reel that you sent me with the meter ka breakdown, and the switch, and how intelligent
You feel that's
played
doctored
with
too?
the time scale.
Huh.
I don't know. Look, I'm not going to, be suspicious about those kind of things online. But I just feel like वो सब ही होगा, genuine admiration होगा fan का, या music
Correct.
enthusiast का, और उसने उस पे reel बनाई, and everything is great. And he's probably a good songwriter. I don't personally connect with
Or
any of his
producer.
lyrics. Like you were saying, it felt a little rushed. So there was as an emotional latching point, I didn't find a single moment in the song, and I latch onto songs emotionally. You know this, everyone
Yes.
knows. So,
Yeah.
so there'll be something that'll make me smile, or there'll be a thought, there'll be a
Correct.
delivery in
Something
the
to
through the
emotionally
vocals,
latch.
something
Correct.
to grab you.
Correct.
और वो मेरे साथ होता नहीं है, और इसमें definitely नहीं हुआ. And I really feel like this entire playbook of you can tell that he is a good studio singer.
Yeah.
वो सुनाई देता है speaker
Yeah.
में. लेकिन you know, and this really made me think back in the day when Atif Aslam was not a trained singer, and he
Yeah.
had become you know, a massive hit and a massive name overnight. He would fumble on stage. His vocals would, you know,
Yeah.
he would mess up quite a lot. And it took one
Go off key as well.
Abhijit.
Yeah.
He would go so off
Very
key
हाँ.
so many times
Yeah.
live. And I think he was also stretching it जब तक चलता है काम, जब तक चलता है. फिर उसकी बड़ी controversy हुई, if you remember, Abhijit the singer,
Yeah.
he called him out on some
Correct.
reality show. अभी मुझे specifics याद नहीं है, but he said कि कैसे, you know, हम लोग इतना रियाज करके और ये सब करके और ऐसे singers को आप बड़ा बना रहे हैं. Like obviously there was a bit of envy there as well. But the point I'm trying to make is that Atif did not ignore them and say, you know, बाहर में जाओ, I'll continue doing my thing. He went back and freaking learned. If you know, if you listen to Tajdar-e-Haram, or if you listen to him live on stage, and I've been to innumerable concerts of his. He was in Dubai every 6 months.
Correct.
The man can hold his own on stage, and how, like, he will do a 3-hour set and his voice will never go off key. You know,
that change
he can
in him
hold a
was
stadium full of
remarkable.
people. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because he worked, he took the feed. He's like, okay, वो मुझे, you know, बोल रहे हैं, पर ठीक है, अब मुझे पता है,
but valid है, बोल रहे हैं तो हाँ, exactly.
उसको उस spirit में लेना और उस चीज पे काम करना, because you literally have one job.
Correct.
You have to be a good singer.
Correct.
That's all it is. The job is just that. So I hope that, you know, all these debacles that have happened, the artists in question take that, take the feedback and the criticism in that spirit.
Correct.
And they just work on their craft. That's all. You know, the minute they hold their own on stage with a Jacob Kollia, we will be the first ones to
back
make
them,
reels
to
and
back
praise
them and
them,
make, yeah, 100%.
and be like, yeah, ye hai
100%.
India ka artist, you know,
Yeah.
look at him go.
Yeah.
We want to do that as well. So
Yeah.
anyway, these are my final thoughts. I
Correct.
did not connect with this song nor this video, and I just feel the whole thing feels very manufactured. The best thing I liked about this was the music.
Music was very good. Yeah, music was very good. And even the breaks in the middle and the way the structure changes in the music, like, you know, they were like that actually. So with the music, I kept feeling connected and kept feeling ke, okay, ab to kuch hoga, ab kuch ho jayega. Like, you know, but wo ho nahi raha tha.
Yeah.
Then it was like, that's the part missing, which earlier we were talking, kuch missing tha, that was what was missing. Yeah.
Something to latch on to. Nahi
Oh,
laga.
well.
But theek hai, I wish him well. I wish every artist well. But every artist in the history of artistry has been called out when they have,
Correct.
you know, fumbled. And
I think this could be a massive,
disappointed.
wonderful turning point for him, you know? And when, and if it does, that's when the real journey will begin.
Yeah,
So,
will begin. I
yeah.
agree. Theek hai, lovely yaar. I'm glad we covered it, because there were discussion points that needed to be
Yeah, they
had,
needed
you
to
know?
be. And I'm sure sab
Needed to be
soch rahenge. Everybody thinks about it. It's natural, no? Anybody who's a follower of music and isn't living under a rock, is aware of what's going on. To ye to hona hi tha. So it's a good thing.
And just, it's my request to everyone in the industry who's involved in these decisions, please, let's not judge by numbers. I think the artists on stage with Jacob in other cities, I don't think they have the biggest numbers. But man, do they deliver the live experience that people came to that venue for?
When
you know,
that artist
like,
turned
when
from
you're
jazz
sitting in that audience
to Hindustani classical and going to, oh my God, that was like,
yeah, and the thing is, हमारी
phenomenal.
country में है इतने मंझे हुए कलाकार हैं.
बिल्कुल.
If you don't put the right people on stage, you're doing a disservice to the entire music landscape of the country. You know,
Correct.
it's such a disservice. So please, 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 it's a humble request. Let's keep that in mind, and let's just, you know, make these decisions in the right manner. So, chalo, on that note, अब हम निकलते हैं.
जी.
हमारा this is our last session with Miss Hola for the year. So happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you too, and Happy New Year to you guys.
See you all in 2026 with her. I might be back earlier. Okay. Bye. Live long and prosper.
Bye.
कहने को वावा तुम फिर से ना